It's just a feeling.
Okay, thank you, Rahul. Thank you, thank you. Anybody else from this side on happiness? Happiness? Anybody from this side? I don't know why it's not happening. Anybody from this side? Happiness? Yes.
Hi, I'm Sachin, and my definition of happiness is something you get when you achieve something which you decided by your heart.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please give all these people a big round of applause, please. These are wonderful, wonderful answers, and these people have the answers coming from them, so that's the belief they have. So, I'm going to reveal the answer which I got from my studies. Your answers might be better than them, but these are the one which I think it worked for most of the people. So, let's find out. So, life, as somebody said, life is a journey. See, there's a person has a date of birth and the date when they die. So, it's a journey between these 2 points. That exactly is the life. And if you take the life as a journey, you will think about life a very different perspective. It's just a journey from going a point to a different point. And what you do, that makes your life. But in reality, it's just a journey from point A to point B. Moving on, career, and I want most of you to write this down. Many people do not have the clear idea about the career. What exactly is the career? Somebody say, the profession that they like. Okay, that's a good part. But the second missing part in most of the people's career definition is it should have a progress. How many of you, might have started a job which they like, but then after some time they feel, they feel stagnant? It's all about there's no progress in that thing. So the career is nothing but an occupation undertaken for a significant period of time. It's not that you do it for a month or 6 months. You do it for a significant period of time. And if you do that, at the same time, you should have a scope for progress, opportunities for progress. If there is no progress, you will not feel your career is going or moving ahead. So this is a beautiful tip for the people who are students getting into the career. Always choose a career thinking, does it have a good progression? If it doesn't have a progression, you might get a job, but you will feel very awkward, or you will feel very, kind of locked in that situation. So be very sure while choosing your career. Next thing is money. Now this is the most important thing. I want all of you to remember, write down everything that you want to do. Money is nothing but the result of the value that you offer to the people, to the market. Now, for example, an actor does his job of acting. That's a value he is providing. The bigger the value he provides, the bigger the money he gets. Better actor or the most successful actors, they are providing larger value to the larger audience, the more value. That's the reason they get paid more. Many people do the job. People always think it's a hard work that brings the money. But you might have seen there are so many people, they are working on the road, in the sunshine, doing the road works. They work hard. So it's not hard work that gives you the money. It's the value that you provide to the company, to the market. And you should be able to negotiate that value. The people who are in the job, they do this negotiation job at the end of the financial, KPA sort of thing. So the more they negotiate, the more value, the money they will get. So value is a combination of 2 things. The money is a combination of 2 things. The value that you offer and how good you are in negotiating that value with your employer or with the market. Okay? The next thing is health. Now, I was studying about health, and come up with some simple things. If you go on internet and just study about the health, you get like millions and millions of pages. Now, it's very difficult to remember all those things. So I wanted to come up with something very simple which I can easily understand and easily use in my life. So what I come up with, just these 2 words. Anybody who has energy and movement, a person is in good health. Think about anyone who doesn't have a good health. He's either missing one of the 2 things. Either they are staying at some location or they do not have the energy. So anyone who has these 2 things will definitely have a good health. Okay? Moving on. Success. It's simplest thing. Whatever you think, you get it, success. A small child, he wants a chocolate, he gets it, he feels very happy. Success. Student who wants the job, he gets the job. What is it for him? Success. A person who is working in a job, wants to get a pay raise or promotion, he gets it. It's a success for him. So definition of success is different for each one of you, right? Because each one of you have certain things that you have to achieve. If you get it, you feel that you got a success in that. It may not be a different perspective. It may be different perspective for other people. For me, when I was studying in the village or taluka levels, when I came to Pune, Pune was a big city. So studying in a big city was success for me. But in many of my classmates, they were born and brought up in Pune. For them, it was nothing. So it's just your own personal definition, what you want, and if you get it, you feel that you have achieved success. Moving on, relationships. And I think Chetan pointed out very correctly. In simple terms, relationship is nothing but a connection. Think about any good person or any of your good friend. You're connected with him for some beautiful things, maybe some talks you have or something that you share in common. You have to have that connection. The moment you don't have a connection, you don't feel a relationship with that person. Even the married people, they have some things, they keep them together. That's the connection. And that's the connection that builds up their relationships. Right? Moving on. And happiness. Somebody said here, happiness is just a state of mind. If you feel in the mind that you are happy, it's the happiness. It doesn't have to have achieved all your goals or anything that you want. If you just think that I feel happy inside, it's just the feeling. And the feeling that makes you happy. Okay? Now moving on to the next important part. You guys wrote down, or you want to back the slide? Okay. Sorry, say again? Finished, right? Okay. So why do we need then all these 7 things? So go ahead and write down the word life, and in front of them, why do we need life? Why do you need success? Go ahead and write that down. Are these things important? Yes. So we should know why do we need them. Okay? Why do we need success, relationships, and happiness? Why do we need life? Why do we need career? Why do we need money? Why do we need health, success, relationships, and happiness? Okay, you guys finished? Okay, turn to your neighbor, give them a high five, say, good job. You guys having fun? You are learning something new today? Okay, so who would like to share? Why do we need life? Yes. It's your own definition. Am I the only one? Yes, Chetan. Guys, let me tell you something. As I told you, you do have some things inside. There might be certain things stopping you from sharing. Maybe some thoughts. I'm not sure whether it's right or wrong, or what other people will say. But this workshop is all about your workshop. Whose workshop is this? Your workshop. So go ahead and share this answer, because the more you share, the more you will learn, more others will learn. Last time when people share about their own ideas, how many of you got some different perspective on those things? Right? So it's all about sharing. The more you share, more other people will know about you. Right? Right? Yes. And let me tell you all one more very powerful thing. All those successful people you will see in this world, they all like to share the ideas. There's no successful people in this person who is, just alone on his own. He's there sharing something through his acting, through his sportsmanship, or through his speaking, or through his business. They always communicate. So communication to the rest of the world is important. It's what? Important. At what level we have? Maybe 3. Okay. So communication is important. Communication is what? Important. Okay. So yes, Chetan, why do we need life?
I don't know why life has been given to us. I'm still searching for that answer, but the life which has been given to me, I have an answer for that. Life has been given to me so that I can fulfill all my dreams which have been given to me. I don't know I'll be able to fulfill all of them or not, but yes, at least the most important one, I'll try to fulfill that.
Very wonderful idea, right? Thank you, Chetan. Yes.
Hello everyone, Dinesh Rathi.
I believe life is given to me. I need life, especially first thing, as Chetan rightly said, to fulfill my dreams which I want in life. Plus, second one, to make other people happy and to fulfill their dreams as well.
Exactly.
Not just living for myself, but for living for others as well.
Yeah, see, the beautiful ideas are coming up now. Who else would like to share about, maybe this time, career? Who would like to speak about career? Career?
No, like,
Okay, go ahead. Like.
I think nature provides the life for any living organism to grow up, enjoyment, to help other person and to achieve the success in other success.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Who else would like to speak about career? Yes. Strong hand that side. Tell us your name and why do you think we need a good career?
Hello everyone, I'm Neha and my answer is it gives the opportunity to achieve the success in life.
Okay, okay, that's your definition. That's fine, thank you. Okay, why do we need money? Everyone should tell this. Only people who won't raise your hand who don't need money. Do you all need money? Do you all use money? Why do we need money? Who would like to share? Yes. Tell us your name.
Myself Shadab Khan and we need money to survive.
Okay, the basic thing. Exactly. That, all of you know about that, right? So you should have spoken that. She is the only brave person. Okay. Who else would like to speak about money? Yeah, this time. Jolly, if you stand up, please.
I think I need money to buy everything else that happiness can't get.
Sorry, I couldn't catch the second, please.
To buy everything else that happiness can't bring me.
Oh, is it? You married?
Yeah.
Okay, moving on. Why do we need health? Why do we need health? Yes. Very strong person. Guys, I want more answer from you.
We need help to enjoy life. Whatever, let's say we are earning a lot of money,
Exactly.
but if we don't have health, then
We can't enjoy it.
it's of no use at all.
Very true.
Let's say even if I have 100 crores, but if I'm on bed, it's of no use.
Okay, next. Distribute with others.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Very good answer. Who else would like to share about health? Someone here? People are very shy here. I don't know why. Let's do something. Success. Who would like to talk about success? Yes. If you stand up, please.
I think success is a thing to make an identity in a society. That if you are successful, everybody get to know as you. As we get to know, as you are successful. That's it. That's it.
Okay, who else would like to speak about success? Someone at the back? Very shy people. Yes.
For me, success would be when my signature gets converted into autograph. That's success.
Hey, give him a big hand, please, now. Yes, relationships. Yes. Money and relationships mixed together. Why do we need happiness? Or why do we need relationships?
Good morning, everybody. My name is Mary. According to me, we need relationships as a driving force in one's life to connect, to live, to share, and for someone to come back to at the end of the day.
Okay, beautiful words. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Who else would like to share about relationships? Yes.
Hello, my name is Radhika and I think the first day you start of your life, that is your mom who you have a special relation with, and when you end up your life, you should have someone with whom you would like to share your last breath. So I think that is it.
Beautiful thoughts, beautiful thoughts. Thank you. And the last one is happiness. Why do we need happiness? Why do we need happiness? Yes. You can tell us your name.
Hello everyone, this is Vidya. I think happiness is when life is there, career is there, money is there, health is there, success is there.
That's husband is there.
Relationship is there, then happiness. All of the above things are there, then we are happy.
If you don't have anything, those then?
Then we are not happy.
How
If
come?
one of the things is missing, then I think I will be not happy.
Okay, your definition. But thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Who else would like to speak about happiness? Someone from this side. I'll try to stand maybe. Who else would like to speak about happiness? When I look at them, then people do like this. Okay, who is the brave person there? Yes, happiness.
Well, I think I need happiness so that I can live my life with much more satisfaction and I can live it, love it, share it, and as well as grow.
Thank you very much. Give all these people a big round of applause, please. Now there is one more very important thing which I would like to share, that each one of us live a life and have certain problems in our life. Some people have career problems, financial problems, relationship problems, or some sort of health problems, anything those. So what happens is that problem stops them moving ahead. All of us, almost all of us have big dreams. What happens? Certain things that hold us back from achieving those dreams. Those are some sort of anchors. You remember someone is trying to walk and something is holding his leg. So we want to find out which are those anchors which are holding you back. Okay? So is there anyone who thinks is there something in his life which is holding him or her back? Is there anyone? Okay. Rahul, would you like to come on stage, please? Give him a big round of applause.